Welcome back to Tip Tuesday. Awesome to see you, Ryan. We are going to dive right into this hot topic that we both have been getting a lot of questions about because home has a different meaning these days. So you don't always have to, work close to an office that, is convenient if you're working from home. So people are moving a little bit further out into more rural areas. So USDA loans are still a thing. So we're going to talk about these things today, you guys. But Ryan, we're going to touch upon what is a USDA loan, what areas relative to Phoenix does a USDA loan apply to, the type of homes that this loan can be applied to, and then the requirements of a buyer, credit score and income requirements. So Ryan, let's take it away with USDA loans today.
Yeah. Thank you, Dana. As you said, the USDA program has really grown in popularity over the past few years. As remote working has become more prevalent and home prices increased, we are seeing a lot of our clients, electing to kind of move outside of town. And so if you're looking in the quote unquote, rural area, which is usually defined as a population less than about 20,000, you may be able to qualify for the USDA mortgage. Now, there's no down payment on this program, and that there's very competitive interest rates because it's a government loan. It's insured by the government. So those like FHA and VA, that they typically have more competitive rates. And what's great too about this is it has reduced mortgage insurance cost as well, compared to like an FHA loan, usually about half. So there are income limits. You have to make usually about less than 115% of the area median income. And you usually need about a 640 score to get qualified. And it's owner occupied only. They don't allow manufactured homes, but single family, townhome, condos, those do qualify. But if you're looking in a more rural area, this is usually the first program that I tell our clients about. So, and just for your reference, to kind of know what areas possibly qualify, a few areas that do qualify that we have found have been very popular are Coolidge, Florence, Globe, Wickenburg, and a lot of areas up north, like Kingman. We just had a client move to Show Low with the program. Winslow, Payson, it's just a very competitive program. So if you have questions about, what areas do possibly qualify, a great way to actually do it, you could either call us or you could even do the search yourself. You could just Google USDA eligibility map. The first thing that comes up says property eligibility disclaimer on the U.S. Department of Agriculture. And once you click OK on that, it takes you to a map. You could zoom in, you could plug in an address and, see if it does possibly qualify. So that's a great resource as well. Or give me and Dana a call and we'll see if you're a candidate for the program.
Great information, Ryan. And we'll share that link with everybody. So it's very easy for you to find if you're somebody that is interested in a USDA loan and learning more about that, you guys. So thank you as always, you guys. Great to see you. We will see you next week.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.